Yes. So please confirm that the screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
So today we have to see three topics. Okay. Chaka we'll see the first topic. First topic is Jacobian operator. Okay. Operators. Okay. So Jacobian operator. Okay. First of all, this is nothing big and all. Okay. We'll be bringing determinants in this. That's it. We'll mix determinant chapter with this chapter. Okay. So listen carefully. What is the notation is? Notation we'll write like this. Partial differentiation of u comma v with respect to partial differentiation of x, something like this. Okay. Or we'll also write as like this, Jacobian of u comma v divided by x, something like this. Okay. In like this, if you see some operator, then this is called Jacobian operator. Okay. The question is how to find this. How to find this value is the question. Okay. You will use determinant concept. Now I'll give you one small thing to remember. What is the numerator? You connect it with row. What is the denominator? You connect it with column. Okay. You'll understand what I say in a minute. Listen carefully. So I'm writing dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. Listen carefully what I'm writing. First of all, how many variables on top? Two variables. Two variables. So the answer will be 2 by 2 determinant. You will write a 2 into 2 determinant. And how you write the determinant? Observe carefully. Numerator, you will fill row. What is the numerator? U. So first write dou u. Then next v. Fully write dou v. This is clear. Numerator, fill all the rows. Numerator you fill like this u v. Okay. And denominator, what is the? You fill as columns. Denominator x is there, divided by dou x. Here y is there, divided by dou y. That's it. This determinant you have to evaluate. That's it. So it will be equal to dou u by dou x into dou v by dou y minus dou u by dou y into dou v by dou x. Sometimes I'll give you formula directly, but yeah, you can't memorize this. This is the way. This is the determinant. This is the way of writing determinant. Evaluate determinant. Any sort of confusion in this? Remember this alone. Numerator you will fill the rows. Denominator you will fill the columns. That's it. Very simple. Now, please try yourself. I also keep writing, but if you try yourself, it will be better. Okay. Try yourself also the mean value. Dou of x, y, z divided by dou of r, theta, phi. Now first tell me one thing. What is the order of the determinant? Volunteer.
3 cross 3.
3 cross 3. Very good. So this is 3 variables. So 3 variables. 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3 determinant. So what you will do? You're writing big determinant like this, and numerator you will fill with rows. X you're having, write dou x. Then here you fill dou y. Here you fill dou z. Now this r fill as column. Dou r. This theta you fill as this second column. Dou theta. And this phi you will fill as like this. Dou phi. That's it. You have to evaluate this determinant. Evaluate determinant. Is there any sort of confusion in this? Any sort of confusion? Tell me, I will clear it. Can I proceed?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
Yeah. One question alone I think I will do. Give me 1 minute. Just for the sake of familiarizing it. 1 minute. Question. I'll give 2 by 2 so okay, because 3 by 3 it will take a lot of time, it will waste time. I'll give some small 2 by 2 thing to do. 1 minute. Yeah, this I think ma'am did in class. Suppose question is, I'm giving x's u squared minus v squared y(s) 2uv. I'm telling you find dou of x comma v. Please do the question. Dou of u comma v. What do you do? Try to do this question. Only one question. Then we'll go to next concept. And also keep doing. You also keep doing, so that you also get practice. Do x, do x, do y, then divided by do u divided by do v, do v. Okay. What will happen? This will be, what is dou x by dou u? Dou x by dou u is 2u. Dou x by dou v is minus 2v. Dou y by dou v, dou u, dou by dou v is 2v. This is 2u. Very, very carefully you should evaluate. I'm telling you. Easily you can make mistake. Be very careful while evaluating. This will be 4u squared plus 4v squared equal to 4 into u squared plus v squared. Is it clear? Simple, na? The only thing new in this concept is you need to know how to write determinant. How to write the determinant, that you should know. For that I gave the way to remember. Numerator you will write the rows, denominator write the columns. That's it. You just determinant writing only is the new part. After that, partial differentiation you already learned. Determinant how to evaluate also you already learned. Nothing new, right? So I hope that this concept is 100% clear. Like proceed. Properties I need to show of Jacobian operator. Properties. First property is inverse property. Listen carefully. Suppose I'm saying J is this. Okay. What is J inverse? J inverse means I'm writing. I'm reversing. I'm just doing reciprocal. Then I can say J into J inverse equal to 1. Okay. Please remember this. I'm telling you one thing. In assignment, there is a question which is given. You have to use this property only. In assignment, if you see, tell you one question that you cannot evaluate this. This one you can evaluate. Then you have to know 1 by J. Only then you will get the answer. So I'll give you a simple example. In this question, the same question, suppose instead of asking this, I ask you to find this. What you will do? Just reciprocal of this answer, that's it. Because you cannot calculate dou u by dou x. Can you calculate dou u by dou x? For that you need to simplify all nonsense you have to do. Instead of that, just apply this property. What I write here. The example is, what suppose I'm saying x is u squared minus v squared, y is 2uv. Suppose I'm asking, I'm giving j as dou of u comma v by x comma y. So this is difficult to evaluate. But J inverse is easy. J inverse is dou of x comma y by u by u, which we got last question. 4u squared plus v squared. So what is J? 1 by 4u squared v squared. That's it. Over. Answer over. Okay. That's why this property is very important. Okay. Any confusion? Please ask. Second property is chain rule. Nothing big. Okay. Chain rule for Jacobian. I don't know whether they will ask in exam. Just get to know of it. Very logical only. Nothing for me to explain this. You're multiplying divided by something, that's it. You're multiplying by dou of r comma s, dividing by dou of r comma s, that's it. Nothing for me to explain in this. Telling you don't have to break your head over this. I don't think they'll ask anything like this. They ask now, you see. Okay. Yes. If u, v, w are functionally dependent functions of 3 independent variables, x, y, z, then I can say dou of u, v, w by x, y, z, this will be 0. Same holds for two variables also. I'll give just one example. This will hold even same in 2 by 2. Same for two variables. Just ma'am gave in 3 variables. You can write for 2 variables also, not a problem. I'll give a simple example. Look carefully. Suppose I'm giving function u as x plus y by 1 minus xy, and I'm giving v as tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, and I'm saying find dou of u comma by x comma y. Just observe carefully. I'll apply this formula. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y will be tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So I can say v will be tan inverse of u. So they are dependent. They are dependent, right? So because they are dependent, I can say directly this will be 0. Even if you sit and solve, you will get 0 only. Try that and see if you want. Okay? You understand what is meaning of functional dependent? This is functional dependency. See, some relation is there between the functions. Having such relations between the functions, definitely Jacobian operator value will be 0. Okay. So please tell me, Jacobian is it 100% clear? Can I go to next concept? 10 minutes I finished. Next concept shall I go?
Yeah.
Next we'll see Taylor series. Taylor series. Let's see this concept. Taylor series is nothing but you are writing expansion of algebraic expansion. You are writing algebraic expansion of any function. First, you try to understand the logic. Okay, I'll tell you the logic. Carefully, okay. I'll give one formula. Okay, but that formula you want to understand 100%. You want to understand 100% also. When I do the question, it will become clear. Okay, just for namesake, I'm writing this formula. Don't worry too much about this formula. Don't write like this. I'll write f of x plus h will be how to write f of x by 0 factorial into f dash x by 1 factor into h, if double dash x by 2 factorial into h squared, like that. This is the formula for one variable in one variable. Actually, one variable, ma'am is not given any question. Only for two variables is given, but anyway, we'll just solve for one question. Okay, one question only we'll solve. Suppose someone tell me what shall we do for? Shall we do sin x or what? Tell me. Sin x will do or cos x? Tell me something. Someone tell me. No, we'll do something. Sin x, right?
Cos 6.
Someone else tell me no. Sin or cos?
Cos 6.
Tan.
Hey,
Cos.
no. Hey, I'll do sin itself. But tan is difficult. Tan will kill you. If you differentiate na secant squared, other differentiate na 2 secants. Please, no tan. So I'll tell you expand sin x powers of x minus 1. We'll do this. Powers of x you know already. In powers of x you know it will be x minus x cube by 3. That you should derive on your own. Okay, x cube by 3 factorial minus x power 5 factorial. We will do this in class. Okay, till third degree, till only second degree. Not wasting. Do this carefully. Okay, how to do this expansion? This one carefully. What I'm doing is, what I have to do is, you first equate this to 0. First you do x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. This is your x value. Okay, this is your x value. Instead of saying like that, what I'll say is, okay, yeah, okay, and this you are keeping as h. Is clear? This you are keeping as h. Do this carefully. What I'm doing, f function f is 1. What is f of x? F of x means f of 1, sin of 1 by 0 factorial. Okay, f of x means f of 1. Okay, plus f dash x is 1. What is f dash x? Sin x you will differentiate. You'll get cos x, then you substitute 1. Doesn't get I'll write like this. Wait. I'll write 1 by 1 and write. What is f of x? F of x means sin x equal to sin 1. Okay. What is f dash x? It will be cos x. And you substitute 1, it will become cos 1. Okay. And f double dash x is what? Minus sin x. Now you substitute 1, it will become minus sin 1. That's it. Over. Now you are expanding. How will expand? Sin x will be what? F of x sin 1 by 0 factorial. Write fully. Plus f dash x is what? F dash x cos 1. Cos 1 by 1 factor into h. Plus minus sin 1 by 2 factor into h squared. That's it. Over. Now finally you replace h by x minus 1. What do you do? You replace. So sin x will be sin 1 plus cos 1 into x minus 1 minus sin 1 by 2. Write neatly. Sin 1 by 2 into x minus 1 whole square. That's it. This is the expansion for one variable. Any doubt of confusion in this? Clear? Like this you can derive for even in terms of powers of x, use it and derive that you do. Okay, because that already answer you know. Na? X minus x cubed by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5. Same logic. Okay. That will be powers of x. But here I derived something different. I derived in powers of x minus 1. So for anything you can derive. Okay. If you know the concept, you can derive. Okay. So I hope this is clear. I'm not giving a lot of stress on this because the examination they'll ask only for 2 variables. Okay. That is why I didn't give a lot of stress on this. Don't worry about this. You will see directly 2 variables. Tell us it is for 2 variables. This only will confuse a lot. Again, for names, I'll write the formula and we'll do one question. But there's nothing else is needed, right? F of x plus h is comma y plus k. I'm writing will be first you will write f of x comma y is 0 factorial plus what I'll do is I'll keep factorial outside. It's not a problem, right? 1 by 0 factorial into into f of x comma y plus 1 by n factor. Listen carefully what I'm doing. I'm writing h into dou by dou x k into dou by dou y of f. I'll explain everything, don't worry. I'm writing formula for namesake, don't worry, I'll explain everything. H into dou by dou x k into dou by dou y whole square times f. So that gives me. I'll tell you one thing here. All this you need to expand with binomial theorem. Expand by binomial theorem. And I'll tell you one big difference, big confusion you will have. Listen carefully. Carefully listen. Suppose I'm saying dou f by dou x whole squared. This is not equal to dou squared f by dou x squared. Okay, this is correct. But here what I'm doing, suppose I'm telling dou by dou x whole squared into f. This is equal to dou squared f by dou x squared. There's a major difference between the two. This major difference you should understand. Understanding? This is dou f by dou x whole squared. This is dou by dou x whole squared into f. That you can square. Okay. This confusion when I add. So after learning this one, I understood that there's a difference between both. Okay. So is it clear? So this you can expand using binomial theorem. I'll do the question which ma'am did in the sheet itself, and I'll show. Can I proceed? I don't please tell me this is very important part. That's why I'm asking. I don't understand the difference between the two.
I did.
Understood.
Oh, look. Give the question which ma'am gave in the sheet. Okay. You rule it. Okay, x squared y plus 3y minus 2 in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2 up to This is x squared y. Okay. This question, ma'am has written the solution of it. I'll explain the solution properly. Carefully look at. This you will take as h. This you will take as k. And you will equate h to 0. That is, you will get x as 1. And you equate k to 0. You will get y as minus 2. Get out on this. First, what I told you, first always equate to 0. Get the value of x and y. Get the value of x and y. Now, f of x plus h comma y plus k. This will be constant plus linear plus quadratic plus cubic, correct? I don't want to write the full formula again. I'll just write like this. So we'll concentrate on one. Each thing will concentrate one by one. Okay. We'll see what is the constant. What is the constant? Tell me. Constant will be just f of x comma y by 0 factorial. Okay. What is f of x comma y? That is nothing but f of 1 comma minus 2. That's it. 0 factorial is gone. What is f comma 1 comma minus 2? Substitute this in this. This is f of x. I didn't write as f of x. 1 minute. F of 1 comma minus 2. This is only f of x. X comma y. Okay. Substitute and see. Tell me what you will get. What do you do? Help me.
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Na? I hope you're doing on your own and not seeing the sheet. I just hope. Do it on your own. Okay. I mean, you don't know. You're doing on your own. I'm very happy. Okay. So minus 10. Simple only. Yeah, simple only. Just confirm me because sheet la apdiye irukku. So now we'll see the linear term. Linear term is what? Doesn't get linear term is what? 1 by 1 factor into h into dou by dou x k into dou by dou y of f. Meaning I can say h into dou by dou x k into dou by dou y. So what is dou by dou x? First you write all the terms. What is now we are adding x? I'll write x again. What is x? Sorry, x. What is f of x by x comma y? X squared y plus 3y minus 2. Find dou by dou x. Do carefully. Y into 2x. Z plus 0 minus 0. So it will be 2xy. What is dou f by dou y? I'll write here. Dou by dou what is it? It will be x squared into 1. 3 into 1 minus 0. So it will be x squared plus 3. Now at 1 comma minus 2, what is the value? 2 into 1 into minus 2, minus 4. And dou f by dou y is what? X squared plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Correct? So what is constant term? Sorry, not constant. What is the linear term? Linear term will be h into dou by dou x plus k into dou by dou y. Correct? So it will be 4 minus 4h plus 4k. Get out. Simple. Now it will be into. Correct. Correct. So this is a linear term. Calculate separately always like this. Constant term is minus 10. I'll just highlight it. So this is minus 10. Linear term is minus 4h plus 4k. Are you all getting an idea of what to do? Is it easy? It's irritating. I am also finding it irritating, but it's doable, correct? What is quadratic? I'll write constant, linear. Next, what is quadratic one? It will be 1 by 2 factor into h into dou by dou x k into dou by dou y whole square. Now apply binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, what we can say? A plus b whole square, we know from small h we are getting the same formula. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2a plus b square. Apply that. 1 by 2 factor into a squared. See, I'm telling you, I'm squaring this now. I can write now. I taught this. Okay, don't because initially even I had confusion. I'm squaring now. How I can write like this now? That's the difference I told you initially itself. Okay, don't forget that. Don't forget that. So then I'll write 2ab. 2ab will be dou squared by dou x dou y k squared into dou squared by dou y squared. Okay, into f. into f by light year and write f. So update take it inside. No way another step. Write f here. Okay. Can you do it? Do it. So what is first you find all the values. Dou f by dou squared f by dou x squared. What will be? It will be dou by dou x of already we differentiate and kept no here. This 2x by write that. This will be 2y kata. And at 1 comma minus 2 what will be? 2y minus 4 kata. Next I'll find what is dou squared f by dou x dou y. Already I found dou by dou. I'll write as dou by dou y into dou by dou x. Dou f by dou x. So what is dou f by dou x? It will be 2x by then dou f by dou x is please confirm. I want to finish the question fast. 2xy. Come on, if you help me, I can do it faster. It will be 2x, and at 1 comma minus 2 it will be 2x2. Got. Then I can say dou squared f by dou y squared is what? It will be dou by dou y of dou by all these steps you write. Ma'am will give mark for the all steps right. All steps you write like this. What is dou by dou y already found out? X squared plus 3. X squared. This is 0. Got. It will be 0. At 1 comma minus also 0 only. So please write the x quadratic. What is quadratic? Quadratic will be 1 by 2 factorial into h squared into dou f by dou x squared, that is minus 4, plus 2hk into 2 plus k squared into 0. So it will be what? You can take 2 outside. No, take 2 outside. It will be minus 2h squared plus 2hk. Right? That's correct. Okay. Now cubic, I'm not wasting time. I think it will take too much time. This is quadratic part. Highlighted. Cubic part I'll just write directly. Okay. What is cubic part? Shouldn't do all that. Can you understand? Please confirm. All this you can do on your own. No? Any step are you having any confusion? Hello.
No confusion.
No confusion.
Clear.
I told the பேசுங்கடா.
But how many marks will be given for this question?
Are you asking me? I don't know. I'm not setting paper. No.
It seems very big.
I don't know.
Like third degree. Up to
Yeah, I
third.
know. It's big, irritating. Also, even I hate this. What to do? I like it. So cubic, I just write what term you will get. You will get 1 by 3 factorial into. You will get 3. You will get 6 h squared k. So you will get h squared k. That's it. Okay, this is the cubic part. Now we'll just find. I'm not going to explain it cubic because it'll waste time. You understood the concept now. Okay. So now I'll just finalize it. So you should write the final expression. What is the final expression? Final expression. What is final expression? F of x plus h comma y plus. What is it equal to? What is constant is minus 10. What is the linear we got? Minus 4h plus 4k plus quadratic we got as minus 2h squared plus 2hk. Cubic we got as h squared k. Kata. I told you can't conclude the question like this. H and k is not even given. What should I? Minus 10 minus 4. What is h? Remember that. H is x minus 1. K is y plus 2. Kata. What do you write? Minus 4 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y plus 2. Minus 2 h squared means x minus 1 whole squared. Plus 2 hk na x minus 1 into y plus 2. Plus h squared k na x minus 1 whole square into y plus 2. This is, what is this? This is x squared y plus 3y minus 2. See. This is Taylor series expansion. Till third degree. Clear?
Raju,
Hmm.
third degree na up to 2 factorial or 3 factorial வரைக்கும் கண்டுபிடிக்குமா?
3 factorial கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன். I mean, I
No,
don't
no,
sit and
like
do it.
first variableக்கு வந்து நீ வந்து second term வரைக்கும்னு சொல்லிட்டு போன, right? So it's like third degree na எது வரைக்கும் போகணும்?
Third
Third
degree
term.
வரைக்கும் like up to third degree na you need to have till is a I'll tell you where is it from? அடுத்த term எழுதணும் like 1/3 factor into this whole cube. அதை நான் உட்காந்து சால்வ் பண்ண எவ்வளோ டைம் ஆகும் நீ பாரு. Like
Okay.
time waste. You do all this calculation. You have to do. You
இல்ல
have
அப்படி
to
எது
write.
வரைக்கும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு தான் கேட்டேன்.
Yeah, it's possible. I'm just writing. I'll just write this word. You know, people don't get confused. This you need to write. You need to write this big expansion. யாரும் பண்ணணும் வேற வழி இல்லை. Okay. Clear la? Can I proceed?
Ma'am will ask given 4th degree or only still 3rd degree.
Why are you asking me? I'm not mom's being. Mom, take கேளுங்க. I don't know. I hope she doesn't. I 4th degree அவ்வளவுதான் rules it and do.
Like assignment and all, how did she ask?
இல்ல அவ assignment she asked. No, assignment எல்லாம் சீரியஸா இல்ல.
Oh, okay.
Sorry on that. I saw. Okay, I'll stop recording. I'll start a new recording. Wait.